Quote goes like this: one day or day one.
Amazon Kitchen Hacks. A swivel stand that holds the Echo Show 15 so you can watch TV or follow recipes while you cook. This rolling cart on wheels has movable compartments you can store fruits and veggies if you're tight on space. This little gadget goes in with your pasta and sings the Godfather theme when the pasta is done. A pot and pan set with removable handles and covers can easily store all of your food. A knife that takes butter straight from the fridge and will perfectly curl and spread butter onto toast.
Amazon products you just might need.
We check them out so you don't have to.
Grabbing things in the back just got easier with these roll-out caddies. Use this clear one in the fridge. It features easy spinning wheels and comes in 4, 6, and 9 inches wide and works like a charm. And this one's made for under your sink or inside of any cabinet to more easily reach those products way back in the corner. They both have adjustable dividers and we love them.
Pantry organization from Amazon. We're on day 4 of decluttering my house with my free challenge, and yesterday the pantry was definitely a doozy. Here's everything I use to keep the space organized. These pop-top bins in a deep drawer are great for kids' snacks. There's even a spot for scoops inside the lids or expiration dials. These large deep containers are great for prepackaged snacks as well as kids' drinks. Fluted Lazy Susans to easily grab those daily use pantry staples, and small glass bottles for things like olive oil to keep it more manageable. These large plastic canisters are great for those smaller bulk items, and these long skinny containers are perfect for grains and pasta. The shape keeps them from getting lost at the back of the pantry, which is great. Tiered shelves are a must for canned food, and these are expandable to fit your space. And I love this acrylic bin for all of our tea. Zippered bags are a great way to store things like food coloring and birthday candles. And these beautiful spice jars that come with the labels, as well as these bamboo tiers for in a drawer, are my absolute favorite for my spices. Storage for all of our water bottles, and beautiful large canisters. Enjoy! Cleaning find from Amazon. The year's 2024, and we can officially ride an electric ride-on to clean our floor. This small car for kids, but admittedly fine for adults as well, has an attachment on the front so your kids can clean their floor while they're riding it, as well as shining blue light on the floor below it while it goes. I'm pretty sure there's probably a weight limit, but I definitely zoomed around this and cleaned my floor today. It has several speeds, and once you get the hang of it, it's really, really fun. The best part is it's for indoors or outdoors, so send them outside when you need to.
Amazon Garage Hack. I have a big problem trying to remember all the cords that go with our electric bikes, and then also trying to figure out where they all should go. So I just got this rack that is super easy to put together, and then you can mount it to your wall, plug in all the cords to the provided power strip, plug in the power strip, and then you're ready to go when you need. Okay, thanks for watching. Love you. Bye. My top Amazon kitchen finds from 2023. This is a stuffed waffle maker that allows you to make super fat waffles with anything you want in the middle of them. This is my Splatopus that is specifically angled and rounded for you to get all of your food out of your jar. This is my ice tray that helps you make tiny little balls of ice, and honestly it works really well and the ice is fantastic. This is my Fridge Lazy Suzanne that helps you organize tiny little things in your fridge and also makes it easier to access them when you need to. These are my measuring spoons that stick together with a strong magnet in the middle so they always stay together and take up less space. This is my hot dog slicing device that helps you make tiny little cuts in the top of your hot dog so you have a little bit of texture and it makes the hot dogs taste so much better. These are my silicone sealing bags that make it so nice and easy to store food either on the go or just in the fridge. This is my meat tenderizer that pokes tiny little holes in your meat which breaks up muscle fibers and then makes your food taste way better and more tender. This is my magnetic stove shelf that helps you utilize space that is never utilized and it's super easy to clean. This is my cheese grater that grates cheese and other things so fast and easy. And this is my plug-in pot that allows you to cook food wherever you can find a plug. Okay, thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.
Look at this. Oh, perfect. Oh my God.
Isn't it great?
Chris.
I know, it's my dream.
I have goosebumps everywhere. This is out of this world.
What a birthday. I know. Happy birthday.
Amazon home favorite. My all-time favorite and top-selling candle warmer plate is finally back in stock. This is an absolute must-have if you love candles. It will use every last drop of wax. It makes your candles last up to 4 times longer, has an auto shut-off after 8 hours, and fits most size candles.
Amazon kitchen favorites. The Kitchen Mama opens your cans with just one press of a button and also removes the sharpness too. This stone drying mat is super absorbent and dries in seconds, so no more water on the counter. These drink dispensers are perfect for people of all ages and makes it so much easier to enjoy your juices and milks from the fridge without taking out the entire container or bottle. And these super cubes are the best for leftovers and meal prep. I use these for stews, soups, bone broth, and more. They're made from food grade silicone and are freezer, dishwasher, and oven safe without the lid for the oven.
Top Amazon unnecessary purchases of 2023. At number 3, we have the portable pizza pouch, which allows you to eat your pizza on the go. Number 2 is this crawling crab toy. It crawls back and forth and lights up and has annoying music. This no-tear toilet paper comes in at number 1 and is a great way to prank your friends. Top Amazon outdoor finds of 2023. At number 3, we have these wine glasses that float in water. Number 2, this air pump is so tiny and easily blows up your pool floats or air mattresses. And last but not least, these rocks glow in the dark.
I got the viral meal prep board and holy crap, it is perfect. This cutting board is ideal for meal prep or cleaning food. It lets you strain and sort right off the board to save time. No more cluttered and disorganized countertops. The slot at the end holds your containers and strainers. You can clean, cut, and store with it. The board will connect to your sink or counter edge and will hold up to 9 pounds and not tip over. You can strain pasta, soak berries. The pieces are microwave and dishwasher safe, BPA free. They have snap-on lids with vents and measurements, and the containers and strainers collapse to save space. This is a must in the kitchen or would make a great gift. You can find this in my link. The viral granite pan set is on sale for Prime Day, and I'm pissed because they're on sale for half of the price that I paid. These pans are non-stick white granite, gorgeous. The handles are detachable. Did you hear that perfect click? So this means you can stack them in your pantry and save a crap load of space. This is definitely my favorite part. You know those certain people in the house that will try to take the leftovers and try to shove the entire thing in the fridge, handle and all? Well, you can of course now detach the handle first, but they also come with these airtight fridge storage lids. So they have instantly been transformed into Tupperware, and they are also oven safe. You can find these in my link. This portable carpet cleaning machine has been the #1 bestseller during Prime Days so far. It only seems to go on sale like this during Prime Days, so if you have had your eye on it, I get it now at this price. It has over 46,000 5-star reviews on Amazon. You can clean carpet, car upholstery, and furniture with this. It is ideal for spot cleaning if you have pets or kids. The suction is so strong, and this is so gross, but is so satisfying at the same time, and I just love seeing what it's able to suck up. You can find this in my link. The Steam Shot Cleaner with 7 different brush heads is finally back in stock, and I am obsessed. It cleans and sanitizes surfaces, grout, and it is so freaking powerful. I'm getting gunk off of things I thought would be there forever. You can even clean and sanitize your mattress, pillows, upholstery, and pet beds. You can clean glass and windows. It definitely cuts down my cleaning time, and it is so satisfying to use, and it's inexpensive. This one always sells out fast. You can find this in my link. I love my phone back roller, but I could never travel with it until now. This back roller is collapsible. It will fold completely flat when not in use or to travel with. All you do is pull out these 2 strings to make it expand, and it is incredibly sturdy, and then you press in the outer walls to collapse it back to normal. And if you don't have a phone back roller, then you are missing out. It also comes with a mesh carrying case. You can find this in my link.
Twinkly lights are not just meant for Christmas trees anymore. Plus, they're too pretty to not want to show all the neighbors. But what makes them really stand out is when they come with a free app that you can make some really cool designs with, like this candy cane option or this fireworks display. You can even control what time your lights come on and go off every day within the app.
Alexa, turn on porch lights.
Okay. And they're even compatible with Google and Alexa. Plus, they already have a wreath and garland that already have the twinkly lights in them. They all easily pair together to twinkle in harmony, give you all those Christmas feels, and make your home feel like that holiday haven. Amazon Essential Travel Gear for Pets. This collapsible dog crate makes traveling with our fur babies so much easier and feel like home to them. It has a removable washable Sherpa pad, a built-in safety leash, non-chewable breathable mesh, useful side pockets, can be set up or taken down in just seconds, folds flat to take up minimal space, and is great for dogs that get car anxiety. This doggy backpack is spacious enough to accommodate all our canine's essentials for day trips and extended stays. It comes with 2 collapsible bowls that have carabiners that can be hooked to the side of the backpack, a large food bag that can hold 12 cups of food, a treat pouch, and even a waterproof mat. Best part is the poop bag dispenser, so you can easily grab your poop bags. The backpack is waterproof, has tons of pockets, large enough to hold their food, blankets, treats, and toys. Top 3 Amazon sellers for the month of October. Coming in at number 3 is the Flip Pomodoro Timer. This is perfect for anyone who has a hard time staying focused or likes to be productive. It has 6 preset times and is easy to use. To turn on, just flip it on its side. Number 2 is the 4D neck massager with heat. This has 4 massage heads that simulate real hands and fingers really working into those pressure points. It has 2 massage modes, 2 levels of intensity, and can be used with or without the heat. And the best part is that it's wireless. You are not tied to a single outlet, making it perfect to walk around or take on the go. October's bestseller is this desktop ceramic heater. Not only is it aesthetically pleasing, but it is a fan and a heater combo, so it can be used year round. It can heat up in only 3 seconds, has 3 modes, and an automatic timer for automatic shutoff. Amazon must-have gem essentials. This portable jewelry safe keeps my jewelry from getting lost or scratched while on the go. It locks with the provided carabiner, which can also be used to attach to your bag. This double-sided magnetic phone mount allows me to watch all my shows, take Zoom calls, and FaceTime without pausing my workout. It has 360-degree rotation, so you can see it from any angle. This Bluetooth ring allows me to easily change the song, turn the page of my ebook, or scroll TikTok. It works up to 33 feet away and can last up to 14 hours on a single charge. This water bottle pouch holds and keeps all of my belongings in one place. It attaches to the water bottle, is waterproof, and can even fit my iPhone Pro Max. Amazon bathroom essentials. We love our flushable wipes, but don't like displaying them for all our guests to see. I picked up these renter-friendly no-drill wipe holders to discreetly hide them. They simply slide onto your existing toilet paper holder, removing clutter and taking up less space. Now they're much more easier to reach versus having to reach into a cabinet or behind the commode. Amazon Stanley must-haves. This snack bowl fits right over my Stanley cup, making it easier to carry my snack and drinks in one hand. Plus, it has 3 separate compartments to keep my food from touching. This pouch fits perfectly on my Stanley. It's convenient for the gym, sporting events, and shopping. It's waterproof, has tons of pockets, and can even hold my iPhone Pro Max. Since Stanleys are made of stainless steel, they can be easily dinged and tend to make a lot of noise. These silicone bumpers slide right onto the bottom, protecting it from dings and reducing the amount of noise it makes every time it's put down. Amazon bedroom must-haves. I get the worst creaks in my neck and can't get comfortable when I try to watch TV from my bed. These high-definition spectacles solve that problem. I can lay comfortably in my bed without moving my neck, watch TV, read books. They work by using a high-quality reflecting prism, which makes for a clear and bright image. My arm gets tired from holding my phone while scrolling TikTok. I picked up this overhead phone bed stand to hold my phone for me. The underside is padded and will not damage the wall. It doubles as a floor stand and can hold items as large as an iPad. And when my finger gets tired from scrolling TikTok, I use this Bluetooth ring to scroll the videos for me. The ring has buttons, which allows me to go forward, backwards, like videos, control the volume. I can also turn pages on books that I'm reading, as well as scroll websites that I'm shopping. Amazon bathroom must-haves. This automatic soap dispenser sticks to the wall or mirrors, taking up less room on your counters. There's 3 levels of soap it can dispense. It displays the temperature and time so you can never be late again. It has human body sensing technology and only turns on when it senses a human. This automatic mouthwash dispenser saves a ton of time and is more sanitary than drinking from the bottle. It has 2 levels of liquids that can be dispensed, can be powered off or when not in use, and even comes with the cups. This stone bath mat absorbs water within seconds versus traditional bath mats that house the water. It's made of natural earth stone and goes with any bathroom aesthetic and comes with a non-slip mat to keep it from sliding. Amazon small laundry room hacks. My laundry room is not only small, but is also an awkward shape. This 2-tier laundry hamper takes up less space by optimizing vertical space. It has 4 removable large hampers with comfort grip handles for easy carrying. It has 4 caster wheels to make it easy to roll, and the wheels can be locked in place. This magnetic dryer ball holder has a strong magnetic backing and stores all of my dryer balls, making them easy to find. This hanger organizer also has a strong magnetic backing. It stores all of my hangers when they're not in use and can be used horizontal or vertical. This over-the-door hanger comes in a 3-pack, and each hanger can hold up to 10 items. This can turn any door into a closet by simply sliding it over the door. It can then fold down to save even more space. Amazon kitchen finds. This kitchen gadget thaws your meat 7 times faster than letting your meat float in the water. It suction cups to your sink and holds your meat in place and underwater. These silicone stove gap covers keep food and junk from falling between your stove and counters. They come in a 2-pack and you cut them the length that you need. They're available in a bunch of colors to match your kitchen, and they're easy to just wipe clean. Make bacon healthier and faster with this bacon cooker. This reduces up to 35% of the fat and cooks it within minutes without the mess. Simply pop it in the microwave for a couple minutes and the tray catches all of the fat. Cleanup is just as easy as it can go right in the dishwasher. Quickly check on the items in the oven with the silicone non-stick oven tool. Not only does this allow you to pull out and push in the oven rack, but it allows you to move around the dishes that are in the oven. This oil dispenser bottle saves time and dishes, as it can accurately measure tablespoons and teaspoons for the perfect amount every time. Runaway Tupperware in the dishwasher is beyond frustrating. This silicone net clips right onto the dishwasher and keeps those bowls, cups, and baby's bottles from tipping over during the cycle. Amazon Back to School Part 2. Fall asleep faster and sleep better by blocking 100% of the lights from your electronics and appliances. With these light dims, they come in a pack of 100 in multiple sizes and shapes. Keep all your bedside items close by and organized with this bedside caddy. Not only is it aesthetically pleasing, but it has 4 functional pockets. Slides right under your mattress so everything's within arm's reach. Our pediatrician recommended sound machines to help with anxiousness. Not only does this help us sleep better, but it helps us fall asleep faster. This has a timer to shut off automatically, 24 sounds, and a nightlight. Keep up with your family's busy schedules with this acrylic magnetic refrigerator calendar. It comes with the dry erase markers and just wipe clean to start a new month. If you prefer something a little bit more high-tech, you'll love the Echo Show 15. This has the Alexa built in with facial recognition. It recognizes each person's face and can let you know what's on each person's calendar for the day. It can also send reminders to each family member, keep up with your grocery list. As an added bonus, it's a Fire TV. School mornings are always hectic, and there's nothing worse than a coffee that's gone cold. Keep your coffee hot with a smart mug warmer. It has 2 temperature settings, is waterproof, and doubles as a candle warmer. Amazon Back to School must-haves. This adjustable footrest not only helps with posture, but also helps fight fatigue with the roller massagers. It has 6 adjustable heights and non-slip pads, so it won't move around on any surface. Get the boost of energy and focus you need throughout the day with these compact reusable vapor sticks. They're small enough to fit into your pocket and packed with all natural essential oils. This beeswax stick looks like a tube of chapstick, but it's actually used to keep your glasses from sliding around your nose. It works by creating a thin layer of friction between your glasses and skin, keeping your glasses in place. This all-in-one screen cleaning kit is perfect for on the go to keep all of your devices' screens clean. The misting solution is built in and is refillable. The outside shell is microfiber and it has a protective case to keep it clean. This portable laptop stand is thin enough and light enough to take with you anywhere. It has an anti-slip mat so your computer will not move around, 5 adjustable heights, and takes up no room in your bag. This reusable smart notebook is the last notebook and paper you'll ever have to buy. Take all your notes as usual and then scan it into the free app. Here you can categorize it by subject and date, store it into the cloud so you can easily find your notes, then erase and repeat. Amazon Bathroom Cleaning Essentials. I saw this grout cleaner on TikTok and was quite impressed and thought I'd give it a try. But first I had to find somebody's bathroom to use it on because my bathroom is immaculate. One of my neighbors was kind enough to let me test it on their bathroom, and as you can see, this is probably the grossest shower you've ever seen. Thank God it's not mine. I wasn't holding out a lot of hope that this grout cleaner was going to do much for this shower. It's easy to use and doesn't really have an odor to it and is like a clear gel consistency and comes in a 2-pack, which I was kind of annoyed about because I only wanted to test it on my my neighbor's shower. After you apply it, you let it sit for 5 to 6 hours to let it do its thing. I checked it afterwards and couldn't believe my eyes. It had gotten up so much of the stains from the grout. At this point, I sure was glad that it came in a 2-pack and went ahead and applied a second coat. Used my handy rubber gloves to really work it into the grout. I've always said that this shower would be the death of me. While it's not perfect and I've got another 2-pack on the way, this stuff has by far worked better than anything I've tried. 6 Amazon items for your car. This double-sided car duster safely removes dust and crumbs from even the tightest areas of your car. One side has a microfiber cloth and the other side has bristles. Tired of loose coins taking over your car? This universal coin organizer not only keeps your coins organized and easy to find, but is small enough to fit into the palm of your hand. My kids think that my car doors are their personal trash cans. This 2-pack of car trash cans with lids can fit into your cup holders and door. This 2-in-1 screen cleaner kit is great at removing all those unsightly fingerprints. It has a built-in spray bottle and the outside is microfiber and easily wipes away smudges from screens, phones, and computers. This eyeglass lens cleaner is exclusively used by NASA, is made of carbon microfiber technology, and safely removes fingerprints, smudges, and dust from your lenses. If you suffer from short people problems or have terrible night vision, this polarized car visor extender extends further than a typical visor and diffuses light to protect your eyes. It velcros to your visor and opens and closes with a zipper so you don't have to worry about getting fingerprints on it.